Tired of jumping between a dozen AI tools just to get one thing done? Meet ChatArt, your all-in-one creative studio. Write viral content, generate AI images, craft blog posts, even search smarter, all in one tab. No setup, no learning curve, just type and create. This isn't just another AI tool. It's your new creative sidekick. I'm David, and you're watching Next Gen AI Lab. Let's see what ChatArt can really do. Let's go to Google and search for ChatArt. Then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of ChatArt, a leading up-to-date AI assistant. Explore ultimate creativity and efficiency with ChatArt. There are different AI models available, such as ChatGPT, Claude, Sonnet, DeepSeek, and more. We can download and try ChatArt on Windows, iOS, and Android. It can also be used online. Now click on Try for free. This is the main dashboard of ChatArt. From here, we can chat with AI, video, generate images, write anything we want, and even use AI-powered search. First, we'll explore the chat feature. From here, we can switch AI models based on our needs. We can also attach files or images as required. Now, I'll type a prompt in the bar. What is ChatArt? We can also optimize the input by clicking Optimize Input. It takes a few seconds to enhance our input. Once optimized, click Enter. It takes a few moments to generate an answer to our query. However, at this point, you'll notice a prompt asking you to upgrade or top up your balance. That's because this feature requires a paid plan. We can also send it to the editor or share it directly. These features are often missing in other AI chat tools. If we want to generate an image, click on Image, then Text to Image. This is the main dashboard. Various image styles are available, which we can choose based on our needs. In the image description box, I'll paste a description. After that, we'll select Detailed Description and choose our AI image model. For this demo, I'll go with Flex 1.1 Pro Ultra. You can also adjust the image scale and number of outputs. I'll keep it simple with one image. Now, normally, when you click Generate, the image will start processing right away. But since I haven't topped up yet, I won't run it here. Once you've added credit, though, the image will generate in just a few seconds. So, you've just taken a quick tour of ChatArt, a tool worth trying if you want to combine multiple AI tasks in one place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Next Gen AI Lab channel so I can keep creating more valuable content for you.